What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries Mega Love Shoutout Blooms. We are back for a Beanie reaction, and this is for their performance in ASAP XP for the song Unang Kilig. Yes, we reacted to the music video of this. Sobrang ganda ng music video. So let's see how they're gonna perform live in ASAP XP. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, I go. Here it is, guys. Ito pa rin continuation ng concert ng ASAP. Wow, power dance. Hey! Ganda na outfit nila. Listen to that crowd. Ganda ng music video nito, yung audition nila. Tapos may mga special guests. Ganda ni Sheena. Oh, listen to the crowd kay Ayo. Grabe, ang ganda ng outfit nila, guys. Parang first time ko nakita na ganitong get-up ang Beanie. Yung medyo boyish vibe, pero sexy and girly pa din. Go, Gwen! Live vocals. Go, Stacy! Ganda ng color ng hair niya. Go, Mika! Listen to the crowd kay Mika. Ganda! Maloy! Ang cute nung outfit ni Maloy. Very nerdy, parang sexy Terry vibe. Power dancing talaga. Go, Joanna! Ang shala naman, may mga Philippine flag. Si Colette. Fresh Mika. May pag talaga. May pag-flaunt si Maloy ng kanyang physique. Si Gwen talaga very looking expensive. Sheena. Ay! Sala, meron tayong dyan, isang blue mo. Oh. Alam niya yung step. Siguro sobrang ganda ni Aya in person. Grabe yung crowd. Ay, grabe ang vocal flair ni Colette. Bigay na bigay ang Joanna. Ganda ng color ng hair ni Stacy. Eh. Iba talaga ang tamis ng unang kilig. Uy, sino yun? Oh, Maloy! Grabe ang vocal flair. Sino yun? Oh my gosh. Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Beanie for Unang Kilig and ASAP XP. Oh my God, I love their outfit. Gusto ko yung parang Baby One More Time era ni Britney Spears. Ganon yung vibe. And then medyo boyish sila with a cap, sila Colette. Grabe yung outfitan. I love it. Iba ang styling. May stylist ba? Personal stylist ba ang binigay? So you can comment down below. And also, this song, iba yung vibe. Very light lang. Pero may mga vocal flares pa din, guys. No, grabe. And I love that power dance. What can you say about that performance, guys? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisure Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.